Hello US Studies students, Mr. Alonzi here. I'm going to go over this step in the process. Learn how to make a copy of a Google document and organize it in your Google Documents. So if we're on this step in the process in the folder, you click on it and there will be this video attached in here as well. I don't have it yet because I'm making it right now. But you click on this, so it is learn how to make a copy of a Google document. So one of the things that students will have to do in the class is you'll get Google Documents, and it's important that you as the students start making copies of it. So one of the things, if you get assigned a document and the teacher says make copy, how do I do that? Well, I want to show you. You go File, Make a Copy right here. And so not only am I going to show you how to make a copy, I'm going to show you the next step. So I'm going to go copy, so I'm going to go totals, notes. And then here's the next part. Usually it just drops it into your drive. For you, the US Studies students, I want you to start putting all your US Studies stuff in one area. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to press My Drive, and then I'm going to go in My Drive, and there's this little folder here. So you can click it right here where it says New Folder, and then put 7th grade US Studies. I want you to do that. Click the Create Folder marker, and then I want you to press Select. And now you will have these totals notes dropped in there. The goal is that if you get a Google document in my classroom or in Mr. Carlson's classroom, I would like you to start dropping those documents in this folder. It's going to help keep you organized. So if I ever say, hey, I need you to go back in there, if you just do this every time, I know it takes an extra 30 seconds to a minute, but if you do this every time, you'll keep yourself organized. So that is what I want you to do with these totals notes that you're creating, is I want you to make a copy and create a folder to drop it in. So I'm going to do Select, and I'm going to press OK. And now I have those notes in my 7th grade US Studies. The last thing I'm going to ask you to do, if you usually look at the share settings, because I think students happens and then you forget to change the share settings, I'm going to wait till this kind of loads a little bit. I'm going to click Share. Super important, the share settings look a little bit different this year. So I'm going to click on Share. It's taking a little longer to load. Sorry, Miss Sampson made an announcement, so I'm just going to go back here. It says change. I'm going to change the link to anyone with a link. Usually if you click it, it changes to independent school district. So I change anyone with a link. You can do independent school district, either one. And now if I want to share this with Mr. Alonzi, independent school district 728, he can see it. So I'm going to click done. Oops. I'm going to click done right here. And now if I want to share that personally with Mr. Alonzi, he can see it. So today we went over making a copy, organizing it on your Google Drive, and changing the share settings. Have a great day. Bye.